Our project was mirrors, and our first project was how a mirror works, and our second project was how you can bounce light off mirrors.
So our first project was this mirror, and if you put a triangle here and close it, making it so that it's the only flooring, even though it's only one, it will reflect it as a full square. And if you close it more, the more you close it, the more reflections it has. So if you close it more and more and more, you can see multiple of these. And as you can see, it doesn't if you point this thing up, it doesn't point it down, and it doesn't reverse it. But also, if you put the light in there, it basically puts lots of them in. And it reflects all the lights.
So for our second experiment, we did the light maze, and it's very simple. When you put the torch to the start of your maze, it will bounce off the first mirror to the second mirror to the third mirror and then out and to the exit. But you will need a dark room so you can see the torch when you have a less powerful torch.